All right, let's talk about absolute value. Absolute value is represented by parallel lines, and there's usually a number inside the parallel lines, or sometimes there's an expression inside the parallel lines. And we treat these as parentheses. We treat these lines as parentheses as we work through our order of operations and solving equations and expressions. So mathematically, what is absolute value? Hint, it is not the opposite. It is not the opposite. We went over opposites already. It is not the opposite. Opposite means the opposite of a number. The opposite of 5 is -5. The opposite of -10 is 10. So what is absolute value? Well, absolute value is how far a number is from 0 on the number line. So the symbols for absolute value we already went through. The symbols are those double lines that are treated like parentheses. So let's look at a couple of examples. What is the absolute value of 2? Well, 2 is 2 steps away from 0 on the number line, so the absolute value of 2 is 2. And what is the absolute value of -6? -6 is 6 steps away from 0 on the number line, so it is 6.